Oh yeah, the brake's sticking. You can feel it just like catching it.
I think we need to hit a jump with this beast.
That'll fix it?
Yeah. Whoa, that was 13 yards.
I think we fixed it.
Dude, that sled flies farther than that other one. Dude, that sled runs so good.
We are going to be working on the big brother to this one, the Arctic ZR 800. This thing is going to be our toughest challenge yet.
I think so.
Not only has it been sitting for 8 to 10 years like this Skidoo we worked on, we think there's some sort of electrical issue going on with it.
And it pulls over hard.
We haven't figured it out yet, but we're going to be giving one of these sleds away and doing a crazy mod build series on
Or a
it.
contest.
Or a contest. So let us know if you guys want to see that. Here we go. And my chicken nuggets and my apple pie. All right, 2002 Arctic ZR 800. Let's see what we got for horses here. See if it even has oil in it. It's got oil in it, so that's good. They didn't run it dry. Very, very low on coolant, but there is some in there. We'll check for spark. We'll do the whole dance. The belt looks decent.
Brand new.
Now this thing pulls over like a bear. Oh my God.
You're getting clutch movement too on the pole.
Is there clutch movement? Maybe it's the wrong belt. It's too tight.
Look at him. He goes to pull and it starts the belt right there.
Might need to rebuild the clutch at some point. But hey, first things first, Mike and I are both suspecting there's gonna be some electrical issues. I don't see any hack jobs, so that's good on the wiring.
Wow, look at that thing.
Fuel injectors.
I don't even know if I want to work on this.
You want to just bring it back? Gummy? What does that mean?
This is gummy. It wasn't in very tight, so oil worked its way up. Not bad.
Hey, let me pull it over now. Oh yeah, it's definitely that clutch.
How the heck?
Oh, that's better. Crack me. I'm sorry to break it to you, but we don't have any carbs.
We're gonna have to take the airbox out.
We'll have to take that out, see if there's any gremlins in there. You are gonna need a Phillips head and probably a flat head for the boots. And the rest I think we can unplug by hand. There it is. Everything goes into this unit. So we have to unplug on this end so that we can feed it through this hole, and then we can remove the airbox to work on the fuel rail.
We gotta at least clean it out.
Yeah. What the? I think you just want to use your power tool.
I do. I've been bringing it all these weeks and you never let me use it.
Since these wires are so hard to disconnect, we are going to try to take this plastic piece apart to see where the other end of the wires go, and maybe we can just unplug it there. Oh, really?
All the mismatched screws.
Oh, they're all different.
Oh, yes. This is
nice.
This is the spot. Oh, that's unplugged. Oh, look at that.
Who did that? See, that's what's happening with our 570 out there. You keep twisting it, try to get the key on.
Is that really what's happening?
Must be an Arctic thing. It still works though. That's crazy. I've never seen that before.
The brown one goes to the bottom.
Oh my God. Look at that.
This is great. Does this key have the problem?
Well, I was wondering, is it an ignition issue?
Oh yeah, look. Spins around.
Got the airbox out of the way, and now we're gonna release the fuel rail and see what kind of nasties we got.
Those are grody for sure. Now I need to undo this. Oh, it's got Phillips in there. Oh, you got the injector out.
There we go.
This is what I wanted to clean.
It probably has never been cleaned in its life.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take those off and clean them anyway. They're connected, so we can just do both and both, hopefully. Just clean this thing up a little bit. Look at the difference in fuel technology here. Look at that little
Yeah. This is Mike's Wagoneer motor.
It's a cute little fuel rail. Any of you guys know anything about LS engines? Trying to do a Gen 4 and I'm not sure what computer to use. Alright Jeremy, I'm done cleaning this.
Oh! I think it hit me in the lip. Am I bleeding?
Nah.
No, okay. It hurts pretty bad. Fuel rail's clean. Those boots are really nasty.
Yeah, we gotta take them off.
Take this whole thing right off. Mike's about to make his famous navy bean soup.
Oh yeah, get in there.
So what's the secret? You let it ferment inside a sled for 10 years?
At least the broth portion of it. Then you throw in chicken nuggets and run it one lap around Travis's yard.
Oh yeah. Look how nasty these things look.
Gummed up.
Oh man. Back to the operating table.
You better believe it.
A painter and his paintbrush.
Cleaner than it ever was.
Alright, perfect. Let's go get this sucker back in. Man, look at that track though. Oh my God. If you got run over with that, you would die. We just found something pretty important here.
This wire was mashed by the airbox and corroded.
You can see where it just frayed, split right off.
I guess it is still connected though, but barely.
Yeah, I don't know. We gotta trace it back to find out what it is.
In their rush to cram fuel injection in here, they just had no regard for any other system.
It goes up into here, feeds up. It is the, okay, we're live here.
Yeah. It's the old headlight.
Not a serious issue.
Well, we'll fix it.
We can fix it, but not the issue we were looking for.
Probably gonna try to undo this, bring it out, snip
Yeah.
it, put in a new section.
A new section, yeah. What the? Mike, did you pay the bill?
That was quick.
I guess so. You got an automatic payment. We found another one in case you missed that part. We found another frayed wire. Mike's paintbrush again. Such a good painter.
I'm gonna dab with solder. Oh, that's what we wanted right
Oh,
there.
yeah.
One
All
of
right,
these goes to there.
check that out.
Back a
Mike's
little
splicing job here. Looks pretty nice. So would you agree that that most likely was the problem?
I can see that it could be a problem if you're trying to pull and it's just shorting to the steering stem. It's trying to get at the electrician for the fuel injection and it's just going into the body of into the ground, you know?
Everything was in front of this bar, which is kind of stupid. So we're unplugging everything, putting it behind the bar, so when the airbox sits in here, it doesn't pinch everything like what happened before.
Switch, dude.
The kill switch was unplugged.
Yeah, this three-wire thing.
You remember that? It was unplugged?
Yeah, I remember I was like, that one's unplugged.
Oh, that's unplugged.
Well, these two, and we did these two, but we
And
didn't undo this.
This line goes all the way up
Yeah.
to, yeah, right there.
Yeah. So let's plug that back in.
That's so,
And
I
then
didn't
this-
even notice that before.
These go there, and I told you which way they went. You remember?
Brown on bottom.
The brown one goes to the bottom.
I didn't know it was the kill switch at the top.
Well, that would make so much sense. It would never run without the kill switch on.
Yeah.
We're like the modern day Scooby-Doo solving all these mysteries. All right, get everything cinched up. We're gonna check for spark right now. Mike, gonna hold that. Ready?
That one's good.
Ready?
Okay, yeah, that'll work.
Put some gas in it and see if we can get some fuel coming out of the line so we know the fuel pump's working. Since Mike didn't like pouring the gas last time, he's making me do it this time.
Can I get a little bit? Oh, you spilled it, you. Send that thing back to California.
Moment of truth right here. Will it start? Episode 5-ish, maybe 6. Here we go. Oh, it's Vincent. Shut it off.
This is gonna run.
Do you see that? We did that on purpose because we wanted to see if the fuel pump would run, and obviously it does. So, but hey, it ran. It started up. So that was on a power shot. So we got to see if it'll keep going, and then we succeeded. Oh, I'm pumped. You excited?
Dude, it started up better than that other one.
Okay, now that we got the fuel line back on, try it again. Okay, here it is. Oh, keep going, keep it going. Dude, that's it. That's it. Yeah, dude. Yes. Woo. Come on. We fixed every sled we bought snowmobile shopping this year. It must have been the wires and also that the kill switch was unplugged, which we didn't notice till afterwards. Let us know if you guys want to see all these sleds in action. I'm thinking I want to go take this out for a rip right now, honestly.